Hello beauties, I hope you all are having a great day. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite fat bombs. These are great source of energy. If you are in the keto lifestyle, you will love these. These are my favorite and so easy to make. So the first thing that I use is a tablespoon of Swerve or Swerve, I don't know how to say it. If you are doing the keto diet or lifestyle, I'm pretty sure you have this at home, or if not, you can also use any kind of sugar substitute. So in this case I'm using this because it's the one that I buy. Next, I'm using 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I use this one that is organic from Aldi and it's my favorite. I really love it. Next, I use my favorite peanut butter. This one is the Smucker's natural peanut butter. Remember, only use one that has peanuts and salt because we don't want anything else. And after that, I use real butter. This one is the pure Irish one. I use 2 tablespoons, and that's pretty much it for all the ingredients. And now I like to heat and mix everything in a small saucepan. Be careful, don't use the heat too high. I burned it the first time, not bueno, definitivamente no. So after that, you will end up with something like this, very liquidy. And I like to use the ice cube maker to create the fat bombs, but you can also use a baking pan or whatever you have on hand. And I like to put it in the freezer for 15 minutes, and I ended up with this, and it's delicious. I highly recommend this if you are in the keto lifestyle, are a perfect source of energy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.